Kalimat bahasa Inggris sehari-hari di rumah khusus pemula. Aku menyayangimu, Bu. I love you, Mom. I love you, Mom. Aku menyayangimu, Ayah. I love you, Dad. I love you, Dad. Aku menyayangimu, Kek. I love you, Grandpa. I love you, Grandpa. Aku menyayangimu, Nek. I love you, Grandma. I love you, Grandma. Bangun, sayang. Wake up, honey. Wake up, honey. Jangan lupa rapikan tempat tidurmu. Don't forget to make your bed. Don't forget to make your bed. Sudahkah kau bersihkan kamarmu? Have you cleaned your room? Have you cleaned your room? Ya, Ibu. Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. Ya, Ayah. Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad. Baik, Ibu. Okay, Mom. Okay, Mom. Baik, Ayah. Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan, sayang? What are you doing, honey? What are you doing, honey? Aku sedang mandi, Bu. I am taking a bath, Mom. I am taking a bath, Mom. Apa yang Ibu masak untuk sarapan hari ini? What do you cook for breakfast today, Mom? What do you cook for breakfast today, Mom? Biar ku bantu ya, Ayah. Let me help you, Dad. Let me help you, Dad. Biar ku bantu bersihkan jendelanya ya, Ayah. Let me help you clean the windows, Dad. Let me help you clean the windows, Dad. Sarapan sudah siap. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. Aku selalu sarapan sebelum pergi sekolah. I always have my breakfast before I go to school. I always have my breakfast before I go to school. Pukul berapa kamu ke sekolah? What time do you go to school? What time do you go to school? Aku pergi sekolah pukul 6.30 pagi. I go to school at 6:30 a.m. I go to school at 6:30 a.m. Ayah selalu mengantarku ke sekolah. Dad always takes me to school. Dad always takes me to school. Aku cuci tangan sebelum makan. I wash my hands before I eat. I wash my hands before I eat. Aku selalu mengerjakan PR-ku. I always do my homework. I always do my homework. Jangan lupa untuk menggosok gigimu. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Jangan lupa makan malam. Don't forget to have your dinner. Don't forget to have your dinner. Aku membantu ibu menyapu lantai. I help my mom to sweep the floor. I help my mom to sweep the floor. Aku juga mencuci piring. I also do the dishes. I also do the dishes. Aku mengepel lantai setiap sore. I mop the floor every afternoon. I mop the floor every afternoon. Buang sampah itu. Throw the trash away. Throw the trash away. Kue ini kelihatan lezat. This cake looks delicious. This cake looks delicious. Tanaman ini butuh disiram. The plant needs watering. The plant needs watering. Ayo kita bersihkan jendelanya. Let's clean the windows. Let's clean the windows. Abangku sedang bermain bola. My brother is playing soccer. My brother is playing soccer. Ini kucingku. This is my cat. This is my cat. Kucingku berwarna putih dan coklat. My cat is white and brown. My cat is white and brown. Kami makan malam bersama. We have dinner together. We have dinner together. Bu, bisakah membantuku menyelesaikan PR-ku? Mom, could you help me finish my homework? Mom, could you help me finish my homework? Ibu sangat menyukai tanaman. Mom really likes the plants. Mom really likes the plants. Aku sangat suka melukis. I really like painting. I really like painting. Waktunya tidur. Selamat malam, sayang. It's time to sleep. Good night, honey. It's time to sleep. Good night, honey. Semoga mimpi indah. Have a nice dream. Have a nice dream. Selamat malam, Bu. Good night, Mom. Good night, Mom.